What's up, Dream Media family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. Today, I'm out here in my home in Colorado, finally outfitting my formal living room with a killer system. The Sonos is out of here. I'm going to be installing that in my guest suite with a couple of the Fruition Designs enclosures, in-wall and ceiling enclosures. They're going to house my Era 100s, throwing a nice little Sonos sub up there. It'll be perfect for a guest room. But the main area here is getting an upgrade. Guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on the RBH SI-815Rs. These are brand new to the market. Not even sure if we have them on the website yet. Hopefully by the time this video comes out, they will be added. RBH made these specific for me. Big thanks, guys. I really appreciate you supporting the Dream Media channel. But I have been in dire need of satisfying my internal desire for high fidelity in this space, and I have fallen in love with RBH's AMT tweeters. Clean highs, guys. I'm talking tack sharp. And they have now, they're offering that in a ceiling version. So RBH, they've had some on-wall solutions and in-ceiling solutions, but not with the AMT tweeter per se. They had in-wall and ceiling enclosures that you can mount pre-construction or even mount to your ceiling after the fact. But as you can see, this home is finished very nice. The woodworking is all exceptionally done. So I want an aesthetically pleasing visual here in this space, and I've been waiting on these puppies for months, and they finally got here along with our new sound bars. As you can see behind me, we got their massive 8400 up behind me, and we're gonna be checking out the little brother to that bad boy as well. I don't know if that's gonna be able to live permanently in the home, but God, am I excited to hear the audio quality that that puppy is gonna produce. They also have one of their 21-inch subs coming that I'm gonna throw over here in the corner of the room for infrasonics. If you guys haven't experienced true infrasonics, I'm talking below 10 hertz, you got to hear RBH. You can actually fly into Salt Lake City and experience it for yourself. One of our projects out in Omaha actually has 3 of the 21-inch subs going into it, which is gonna be absolutely exceptional. Anyways, today, guys, I'm gonna be unboxing the SI-815R. Can't wait to take these puppies out of the box, show them off, go over some of the key specifications that makes this product unique. If you guys would like to purchase this product or anything home theater related, head over to our website and shop online, or call and speak with a specialist. We like to do hand-curated packages specific to your needs and budget. Dream Media is nationwide, and we'd love the opportunity to earn your business. Don't forget, we have the industry's best preferred installers in 28 different states, including here in Colorado. Big shout out to the guys at Goodfellas AV for being out here to help me complete the installation. All right, guys, let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing the SI-815R. Let's open it up. So Joel actually needs the cutout template out of this puppy. Here you go, sir. It actually looks kind of close. I'm curious if that's a 6-inch or an 8-inch hole. We might get lucky, boys. Okay, so as you can see, it does come with a cutout template here at the rear of the room here in my formal. The guys are checking right now to see if the holes line up. The builders did just a little bit. Yeah. Okay. So the builders did do some cutouts, but I think it's for 6-inch. We might have to just trim it a little bit larger for these new 8-inch speakers here from RBH. As you can see, they do have some kind of recommendations for speaker layout and how to set it up, how to do your cutout template, how to run your wire, all of that good stuff. Another thing that they have is a some accessories. They have their rear enclosure that you can put in if you're doing new construction, as well as they have back cans that fully enclose the speaker. And then they have a short back can as well. Let's go over that. Back cans attach neatly and directly to the back of the in-ceiling speakers to prevent sound from being transmitted into the adjacent floors of rooms. Back cans on the in-ceiling speakers are needed to meet building code requirements in select areas. Not here in Colorado. Let's see. All RBH sound back cans are UL rated. Blank plates are a very clean and efficient way to cover the holes left in drywall when a new construction bracket is used or a speaker is removed. Install blank plates when in-wall and ceiling speakers are not immediately installed after drywall is finished. So blank plates, guys, currently the guys are removing the blank plates. I'll try to take you up close and show. It almost looks like an in-ceiling speaker. It's been killing me to have these blank plates installed, honestly, for the last year. And I can't wait to get the speakers put in. So another really popular product, so you can kind of prep everything during the framing stage, are new construction brackets, and RBH does sell the new construction brackets, which you guys can see we do have some new construction brackets installed up there currently, which is what the sheetrock guys used when they were putting up the sheetrock. And then whenever the guys came behind them and put up this beautiful wood shiplap, they also used that same ring. Now what we're gonna be doing today is just making it a little bit bigger for this particular speaker. Initially, I had spec'd out in this room to install the Focal 300 series, but I did a full Focal 300 series upstairs in the movie room in my kid's ball pit room. And we did the 302s flanking the screen left, right, center. We did the 300 series IW6s in the rear and the ICA6s 6 overhead Dolby Atmos above. Okay, pre-construction brackets, guys, very useful and make your job really easy. So say if you were to get these pre-construction brackets put in and then your home is built, you guys are ready for move-in day, all the hard work's done for you. All you have to do is just pop the speakers in, and at that point, it's almost a DIY-friendly process. All these accessories are sold here at Dream Media by RBH. Warranty, okay guys? So your RBH sound in-ceiling speaker is covered by a limited warranty against defects in materials and workmanship for a period of 25 years. 25 years, guys. Their warranties are second to none. These guys at RBH care. I mean, they are a very small group of guys, but the quality of work and the fact that they stand behind their product really means a lot to me as a company owner. I wanna make sure that I'm selling products that last for years to come. 25 years? Warranty on an in-ceiling speaker? That's incredible, guys. You'll probably sell that home off well before you ever need to use this warranty. In addition to that, we checked out their sound bars. 10 years. We have a 10-year warranty on the sound bars, so they're going above and beyond industry standard. Typically what we see on warranties, guys, is between 1 to 3 years. That's kind of the industry norm, but not here at RBH. These speakers are exceptional. All right, so we covered warranty, we covered accessories. Now let's start looking at the actual product itself. So these do have super nice, super clean magnetic grills. There are going to be 2 to a box. As you can see, we have these beautiful little magnetic grills here, and these are paintable. Guys have gone over this in many, many different videos, but installing or painting the magnetic grills, the process is very important. You gotta make sure that you do it properly. Remove the skim off of the back so that it opens up the holes. And then what I recommend is you take your paint and have a specialty paint can, aerosol can made for you so that it comes out super thin, and then you can hit it with really light coats from a distance, ensuring that you don't clog up the grills. These little holes can get clogged very easily, and then you gotta order replacement grills, which we can do for you, but just do the painting right the first time. Don't roll it, guys. You don't want to roll it on or brush it. One technique that pro painters will use is they'll actually water down, kind of thin out the paint that they're using on the walls, and then just spray it. that method works as well. But if you're a homeowner, I highly recommend getting an aerosol can, spray paint. All right, so let's look at the speaker itself, guys. So as you can see, we do have our 1" by 1" AMT tweeter. We have our 8" aluminum cone. And here on the back, you can see nice big magnet structure, quality components, push button terminals. Just a beautiful, well-manufactured speaker. And as you can see, they do have some dog legs. The way these work, guys, is whenever you screw the bits in here on the front of the speaker, let me show you the front of the speaker real quick. All right, so here is our speaker. Give you guys an up-close shot. All right, so as you can see right here, when these dog legs pop out like that, they're gonna go in. And then what happens is our sheetrock, or in this case, our sheetrock and our shiplap, are going to be compressed between this lip and the dog leg like that. And we're gonna do that on all 4 of the dog legs all the way around. But this is the speaker itself. I'll cover some of the specifications of the unit momentarily. You can see this is the model. This is the SI-815R. Brand new to hit the market. Very excited to be premiering this here today for you guys. So the reason that I've been waiting so long for these puppies is I want all my speakers to be timbre matched. If you guys hear about people talk about they want the same tonal balance, they want them timbre matched. Essentially, it's just ensuring that all this technology built into the speakers is the same, so they're cohesive. The sound is cohesive throughout the space. So you got like this AMT tweeter, and then we got some dome tweeters at the rear of the room. They're not gonna have that same tonal balance, which can disrupt the quality of your hi-fi listening experience. So I've been waiting a long time for these puppies. Glad we finally got them in. All right, Dream Media family, that is a wrap on our quick unboxing video of the brand new RBH, the SI-815Rs. Big thanks to the guys at RBH for getting these over to me. I am very excited to move forward with this installation. As you can see, we got the guys from Goodfellas out here, our Dream Media Colorado preferred installers, helping me out with the entire process. We're gonna be moving forward today, installing the formal system in addition to many other projects around my home that have kind of been on the back burner for years. So stay tuned to the Dream Media channel to get up-to-date information on what we got going on here in the house. I appreciate everybody's support. If you would like to purchase this product or anything home theater related, be sure to reach out today for a free video consultation with one of our specialists. Dream Media is nationwide, and we'd love the opportunity to earn your business. We have preferred installers in 28 different states and have a free design service. We'd like to hand curate packages specific to your needs and budget. All right, guys, so that's all I got for you. If you like this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Until next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching.